Nike LeBron 23 for the record celebrates LeBron James' remarkable basketball career, highlighting his journey from early MVP achievements to becoming the NBA's all-time leading scorer. This model honors his historic milestone reached on February 7, 2023, when he surpassed Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's record, a testament to his enduring skill and longevity in the sport. Designed to merge performance with storytelling, the shoe features a soft purple mesh upper that is lightweight and breathable, keeping the foot comfortable during extended wear. An iridescent mudguard in shifting purple and green wraps the upper, offering durability in high-wear areas while creating a striking visual effect. A responsive foam midsole delivers cushioning and energy return, supporting jumps and quick movements, while the rubber outsole provides reliable traction on multiple surfaces. On the medial side, the number 38,388 commemorates LeBron's scoring milestone, adding a distinctive decorative touch. Available in both adult and grade school sizes, this release combines style, performance, and heritage, allowing fans to own a piece of basketball history starting April 10 on Nike.com.